Ever since China put the brakes on imports of Australian barley, exporters have been on the hunt for new opportunities.
New markets are not easy to open. They can take 3 months to 3 years to open.
But last month, an Australian shipment of premium malting barley set sail for Mexico to be turned into beer.
Currently it's one shipment of 35,000 tonnes. That's worth more than 10 million Australian dollars.
Camels, pigs and sheep right around the world are also expected to consume lots of Aussie grain, and that means returns for growers aren't too bad.
We're certainly recovering here, and prices have recovered to basically the same levels as pre the anti-dumping tariffs.
Cotton growers are also expecting decent returns this year, despite no longer selling to China.
It's still good money for our growers.
That's because countries like Indonesia, Vietnam and Bangladesh are buying up.
Would we prefer the Chinese were there to take our cotton? Absolutely. But spreading that risk is ultimately not a bad thing for the industry.
But for the seafood industry, which sent almost 95% of rock lobster exports to China, the market is harder to replace.
We don't know if you go back out fishing, are the buyers even going to be able to sell them at any price at all, or are they just going to sit in their freezers or their tanks?
Louise Hart's family fishing business has been running at a loss.
There's a lot of industries in Australia, like us, that have been solely reliant on China, and it's a big warning to all of those too.
It's difficult to quantify the cost of the lost trade. The government hopes by negotiating new trade deals with the EU and UK, it will help all exporters. But New South Wales winemaker Bruce Tyrrell isn't waiting.
We're just opening up markets in the stands, in Kazakhstan and Uzbekistan.
Winemakers will look to Asia, America and Africa too. But one thing is for sure, Aussie drinkers won't fill the void.
We can drink it all, but I don't think anyone will get much work done. We'll all be legless.
Kath Sullivan, ABC News, Canberra.